on the highway, and we're going to go to Lake Havasu, which is about 260 some miles from our house. And it's going to be kind of hot. It's Columbus Day weekend, but it's going to be in the 90s. Not going to be too bad. So we're going to have a short vacation there and have a video for you guys of things to see and do there. Stay tuned.
Turn left.
We're here, and about an hour and a half later than we should have
arrived at your destination.
Okay, some history regarding the London Bridge being here in Lake Havasu, Arizona. It was built in the 1860s in London, England, to cross the River Thames. And then in 1967, a person named Robert McCulloch bought the London Bridge and brought it over brick by brick, each was labeled, to assemble it here in Arizona in the same exact location, each brick. So they did that and brought it over in 1967, and they finished in 1971 with the project, and it's been here ever since. As you can see it behind me, you can hear boats behind me going very slow on the channel that is between Lake Havasu and Arizona and the island that's right across there. It's a small island, and it's part of Arizona, and then across from there, across Lake Havasu, is actually California. Here is the London Bridge, and we are crossing by car. You can also walk or bicycle over it, as you can see people are doing so. Hi travelers, it's October 10th, 2020. We're here standing on Lake Havasu Island. I guess that's what it's called. We're at Lake Havasu in Arizona. And behind me is the lake. We just crossed over on the London Bridge that was brought over from London many years ago in the 1960s. And you cross over, and there's places people live here, and there's restaurants and places to boat and fish, I guess. And there's plenty of boats out there having fun, and jet skis. So it's a lot of entertainment here if you're an outdoor person. In the background is California. Here we are walking on the walkway next to the channel. There's a lot of restaurants and places you can purchase excursions right in front of me there.
You
These
can
bricks,
speak.
some of these bricks are, or blocks and stuff are from, I think the place here, but you can actually purchase, I don't know how much it costs for in honor of somebody or whatever they print on there, I guess whatever you want to say. So that's pretty cool. It's this walk around on the near the channel. So that's a pretty neat idea. It's kind of like the walk in the Hollywood Hall of Fame, but you don't have to be famous to have one of these. It's about 5:30 in the evening. We're here at our resort, the London Bridge Resort, and we've been walking around a little sweaty, and we are having happy hour drinks. They're $1 off the regular price. The well drinks are $4 instead of $5. Ely's having well drink on tap beer, Stella Artois, and that's $5 I think a piece, or $4. So we're having drinks here. I think they're happy hours from 4 to 6 at the Martini Bay restaurant.
This is our drinks.
I had whiskey and Coke and the Stella Artois for Ely. Cheers!
Cheers.
Good mix. They didn't skimp on the alcohol like some places. Here's Ely doing her photos of the London Bridge and at sunset. We're at Martini Bay Restaurant Bar at the London Bridge Resort, and I just ordered a chocolate mocha martini. Look how beautiful it is. I don't know how they did this intricate design, but it looks great. It looks as great as it's probably going to taste, so I can hardly wait to start sampling this.
For dinner, I got filet mignon, and Joe got
Porterhouse steak. We're taking a stroll on Sunday afternoon here on the Arizona mainland side, and across is the island, and the channel looks very nice, calm water, lots of boats, people parked around the side there doing all kinds of activities, drinking, playing sports. There's paddle boarding, jet skiing, things like that. People bring their own, or you can rent some. There's also bicycling if you want to rent a bicycle and just ride, but this walkway goes down the channel quite a ways on both sides, so you can walk around and just enjoy. People are jogging too. You can also rent skateboards or have your own skateboard, which we don't do any of that, so you won't see me on a skateboard. I'll probably hurt myself because I'm not graceful at all or balanced. So we're just gonna walk and enjoy. Okay, we're going to show you the room here at the London Bridge Resort. First we walk in from the entrance, the hallway, There's a nice sized freezer, refrigerator, kitchen, has a dishwasher, coffee maker, ice bucket. It has glasses, wine glasses, cups, plates. It has a microwave, a stove here. It has a blender as well. So it has lots of different things, a little toaster oven. So it has plenty of things where you can buy groceries and make your own food if you want to. And so it has a small table here for 4 people, 4 chairs. And then it has a small living room, which is very quaint, very nice, with a good sized TV. And I'm watching the pro football game right now. And in here, there's a closet that has a ironing board and a safe. And we have a view towards the south, and it faces the tennis court. There's a convention center there, and then there's the channel where boats, hundreds of boats and paddle boarding and jet skiing are there. Now moving on, we have the bedroom. This is a 1-bedroom unit. They have 2-bedroom units as well. So you have, again, a very nice bed. And then here's another closet where you can put lots of things there. So this is very nice. And then TV in the bedroom. And now the bathroom has an entrance from the bedroom as well as from the other area. So there's a sliding door here from the bedroom, and then there's a regular door from there, so you can lock both if you're in here and need privacy. And it's got a shower, the usual 1 sink, toilet here. So it's all normal stuff. Nothing spectacular, but it all works well.
Pretty good size of bedroom.
That's about it for here. We're gonna go outside and see some places to film and just walk around. We're here on our last evening here at London Bridge Resort, and we're again at the Martini Bay Restaurant Bar, and it's happy hour. So we ordered lettuce wrap and filet mignon on flatbread as our appetizers. They're half off, and we also ordered margaritas, which are $1 off. Well, drinks and beer and wine. We're hoping they taste good. They look very good. We're hoping you enjoyed this video here from Lake Havasu. And we're going to post a link where to click to go get more information around for this area. Click like and give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Bye.